straight out of Compton. It's LA, somewhere in there. Aren't all the Compton movies out of Hollywood anyways? I think these guys, Beverly Hills, they have another location somewhere. Lucky Scent. I ordered these on June 1st. Got them last night. You do the math. Son of a gun. They accidentally didn't pack with my first shipment. And they got these to me pretty quick. But UPS is slow. So here we go. They're sold out now. So yeah, that's dangerous on this stuff to miss in a shipment. You guys know what it is. It's in the title. I think I'm the last one to review these two or get them. I don't know if anybody else is planning on reviewing them. I've been asked like crazy about these things in private messages. The Bortnikoff Cologne series. 2 bags, some note cards in here in the pillowed box. Little, what do you call that? Velour paper. Notes on there, so that's cool. This is really pungent, man. These leaked. That's not good. This is $50, man. Leaking my mLs all over my package. Come on, Dimitri, fix it. It's expensive. Gotta call you out. Whoa, these are just the cheap atomizers, not like Russian atoms. Well, what the frick is going on? They're different. This is the nicer atomizers. Man, come on. $50? Get consistent, dude. Jeez, you gotta be kidding me, man. Look at that. Look, different atomizers. $50 and you can't even be uniform. Hey, you put your stuff at $10 an ml. You're dang right the critiquing's up. $4 an ml's one level. That's where I break it. $1 an ml for an all naturals, hardly no critiquing. $10 an ml, we're going down. We're gonna critique this. So right out, I didn't know that. I haven't seen that. I thought they were all uniform. So that's crappy to me that they're different atomizers. That much money. I mean, these aren't. It's not like these are meant to buy. He's profiting at $50. Only one of them's off. It seems like I can't tell with the one that's not sized. The one that leaked, it looks like it's all juiced up right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Is the Musk Cologne. There's a bunch of juice in the cap there. So there's a few bucks right there. Oh no, two of them leaked. So did the Musk Cologne. You can see the ring of liquid around that. This was sealed, so this came from Bortnikoff. I don't think it came from Lucky Scent. I'm guessing the way that it had this on there. Although it's scotch taped up also. They don't know how I'm going to be the one reviewing it, so I spend my money so you don't have to. So let's see. Are we going to get a bottle buy? I'm going to randomly pick these. Let's do this. Musk Cologne. Man, I can smell it from the cap. It's one of the ones that leaked. Beautiful from the cap. Piney. I don't know notes. What were the notes before we even spray? So the Musk Cologne it smells like moss out of the gate. Bergamot, lemon, sweet orange, grapefruit, hearts, oak moss, absolute, violet leaf, jasmine, champaca, ylang ylang, nutmeg, oak moss, resinoid, amber, grease, atlas, cedar, virginia, cedar, lavender, tonka bean, vanilla. So kind of on our way to a shipwreck, then an amber or something like that. Let's go up here. $10 an ml, I expect a lot. Beautiful opening. Really, really, really beautiful opening. Just a blast of oak moss, and it's a moss cologne, so that's what you should get. Citrus is there. Blast of moss, what you want in your cologne. I don't have the full prices of these as a sample. These are freaking expensive. What, 2 ml, $45. So what, $5 an ml with shipping? Not $10. Still should be uniform sample bottles. Yeah, $5. It smell weird enough. It has a feel of Siberian summer, like it's no, not brother or whatnot, but in the family, not as grown up, way more of a kid. Huge, mossy, clean, citrus. Yeah. We'll have to get dry downs on these. I'm scared of the Bortnikoff dry downs because of ingredients he uses. So there's another special ride around the corner that these will be updated for. Let's put amber cologne on this arm. No leaking, it looks like, on this one. Or should I go rest with amber? I love these atomizers. That was a good poof of air. Same, there's smells like oak moss in here. It's sweetened, way more sweetened. This one has vanilla, but I mean, wait till dry down to get to it. This one's more sweet on top, but it has, I guess, oak moss also. We'll see. Bergamot, lemon, white and pink grapefruit, sweet orange, cardamom, frangipani, jasmine sambac, Virginia cedarwood, sandalwood, Sri Lanka, oud from Sri Lanka, gray and brown ambergris, and bouya oud and vanilla. Get the vanilla right away. No oud. Barely some oud. You got the sandalwood. It's nice. Frangipani. Soft, sweet. The vanilla's coming through really good. I hope it's natural. Usually a natural comes through on the top, really good, aromatic. Top of this is good too. Tops are golden. I mean, most Dimitri tops minus one that was are decent. We'll get to the one. Oh, Coupe de Foudre. So I have the original version, and I literally 2 days ago re-reviewed it. I did my review over a year ago of it and re-reviewed it, and because I just haven't put none of my Dimitris. All my Dimitris have been written up, so I just went and revisited them. Like, did I really feel this way? There's some surprises both ways. I found some hits, and yeah, we'll see how this compares. So this is really fresh in my mind. I was thinking of going to pull it out, but I'll remember. This is different. This is way lighter on the top. Way lighter. More airy. Interesting. Herbs, some big herbs coming out of it. Let's see what's in here. If it's even the same notes. Bergamot, lemon, sweet orange. No offense, but it comes through like a pine sol. That kind of citrus comes through like that. Minus, there's a greenery. Minus that herb greenery. Grapefruit, green tea. Green tea would be causing a little bit of that. And black pepper, jasmine, rose de mai, lily of the valley, champaca, ylang ylang, and tuberose. I can get to the florals right off the top. And cardamom, turmeric, these are base notes, tonka bean, vanilla, benzoin, labdanum, tolu balsam, pine, gaiac wood, sandalwood with pink lotus infusion. Yummy, yummy. Oud from Trat. Notes on this. I remember the notes on that one, just divine. Notes are divine. I think that's a tuberose coming through with the tea. The tea doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, which is good. It's toned down from, I don't remember. Is it Lucky Oud that had a T note also? The version from the original version turned soapy like crazy, heavy synthetic. In the heart, I think it's in here too. I'll know in about 30 minutes. If I'm ambitious enough, you'll see a note here on the video. So, but I'm pretty sure I'm starting to smell it. It takes about 30 minutes. It's the note that once it comes on, it's all I smell. I have a perfume I've been talking about. Some guys don't believe me, and I'm like, I gotta get you perfumers this knowledge. The guys in the laboratories, the trained perfumers, 10 years training, just sniffing, and architecting accords with synthetics. I'm sure they know this, but indie perfumers, this is a lesson. They have to smell it on my skin to just believe it. My friends, when I smell this stuff, my friends are literally like, you smell like a bar of soap, dude. What is wrong with you? I'm like, I know. I told myself after last year I wasn't going to do it, but I'm still sampling, and people are still doing this stuff, and it's a skin reaction. And perfumers are like, is it a mix of naturals? I'm like, no, it's not. I know my naturals. Been through it. I know, and I've been buying the synthetics, and it's a mix of them. That's why the special's taken so long. I mean, I don't have exactly what it is. The advanced perfumers aren't talking to me. And of course, some perfumers are nervous to talk to me because we're talking about their creations. And I won't talk about who, what, but I'm trying to find it out as a science in skin chemistry. And it's a lot harder than it looks to figure that out. But yeah, I can smell it developing. It's like suds. So that's my day. That's why I put it up here, at least cover with the shirt the best I can. I'll scrub it, but scrubbing doesn't even help. Musk Cologne. I'm hoping none of the other ones have it either. This one's spilled in the bottle. All over, beautiful citrus on top. Let's see how it plays on skin. I don't know if it's real deer musk or not. I like the top of this. I can smell some, I'm guessing oud. And musk. I think there might be real deer musk in here. That'd be good news. Let's read the notes. Bergamot, lime, tangerine, sweet orange. I swear these, every note card I get gets littler and littler. Not my eyesight getting worse and worse. Green tea in the heart, lily of the valley. Magnolia, tuberose, ylang-ylang base. It's deer musk. Yeah, I can smell the deer musk. So kudos here. Indian sandalwood and gaiac wood in the musk cologne. And it doesn't, the musk doesn't, it's not this big powerhouse. It's just an accent with, I'm getting the citrus. You can half tell florals are there. This is quite pleasing out of the gate. Musk cologne. All right, whatever this was, like, I don't know, you ran out of bottles and the last few sample packs got this one. On the side, I don't see a little one picture difference, so it's definitely not what is advertised. You just have to tell people. Atomizer sucks on it. Interesting. There's a funky twang Vesna clone off the top. Funky twang. It's like it can't decide where it wants to be here. It's almost like the car cleaner and the citrus, like that Armor All citrus over your dashboard. What are notes on Vesna? Yeah, it's tea. That's what I smell. And tomato leaf. I really am not a fan of the tomato notes. I haven't found a good one yet. Lemon, black tea, tomato leaf. So that's exactly what I get. The tea forms that cleaner fill with the tomato. Pineapple, magnolia, and the heart, and dried fruit extract and Nagamartha for the base. So straightforward. I mean, it smells like a synthetics carrying these two, not the soapy one, but just Effing Fabulous has I'm pretty sure has the same level of carrier projector, if you will, Musk projector. Just guessing. I don't know for sure, but it smells not exactly like that. Just a little like note of it. Ding. You play a note. All right, that's what I have. Yeah, I mean the shipping took what's today, almost the 20th, June 1st. So I mean I literally could have ordered it from Thailand, DHL, spent an extra $20, got it June 3rd, and got my video up June 3rd instead of now. So that's part of the aggravation and having to answer everybody's PMs like, hey man, I'm still waiting for mine, still waiting for mine, still waiting for mine, still waiting for mine. Anyways, and then the presentation is off a little for $50. I didn't get this free. Spent my money. But yeah. Are you guys dropping $200 for these bottles? Maybe one. I got to see dry down on these. And we got a huge special coming up. We'll continue these there, I think. Yeah, I think we will. Yeah, anyways. You and yours, Dimitri's Cologne collection. You guys buying bottles? You blind buying these? I honestly think the juice didn't spill, but the 2 mls might last me. Good enough. You and yours, be safe, be at peace, be blessed. I'm just a critic here. It's just my opinion. Love you guys.